One is this remote that comes in the package like this, and then you can turn it off. You can turn it on, and you can switch between different colors here. And then there's also a phone app, Pro RGB, and that gives you a number of different colors to choose from, a wheel, and then you've got your mainstay normal colors. And you'll get access to all of the different modes. There's just a large number of modes that you can choose from, over 100. All the way down here, actually 178 modes to choose from. You can adjust speed and brightness, and that's about it.